Hi there, my name is Ashley Hubbard, diet and weight loss coach, and in today's video I will teach you diet foods for weight loss. So if you want to eat better to lose some weight, please do stick around and watch this video fully from beginning to end because I promise to help you improve your diet for weight loss. And to achieve this goal, I will give you some diet food tips that I have in this video. Now, before I get started, a very warm welcome to this Diet Foods for Weight Loss video presentation. My name is Ashley Hubbard. That is me there in the centre of the screen. And I've been helping people to lose weight and get healthier for a number of years now. And I do that by always giving you valuable tips and advice that you can't find anywhere else. On that basis, please make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking the red button below the video because I don't want you to miss out on any of the tutorial videos that I upload. Please also make sure you give the video a like because that tells me you enjoy the content and I will therefore spend more time creating it for you. Let's now get into the tutorial. I want to help you lose weight and get healthier, so I'm going to give you some dietary advice about healthy weight loss foods. I want you to start thinking more along the lines of lean protein, healthy fats, whole grains and fruits and vegetables. Simply eating more of these good for you foods can kickstart a weight loss journey. I am going to share with you some of the best weight loss foods that I know about and that I highly recommend you include in your diet. So please keep watching and I will tell you more about these weight loss foods. Weight loss food number 1 is avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, dietary fiber, potassium and phytochemicals. In my research, I have found that people who eat avocados tend to have lower BMI, body weight and waist circumference than people who skip this green superfood. While avocados are higher in calories than other fruits and vegetables, their satisfying fat and fiber combo may help you slim down. So I recommend that you include avocado in your diet. My advice is to try and add some to your salad, sandwich or taco night for a burst of creaminess and flavour. Weight loss food number 2 is eggs. Eggs are a great weight loss food that I recommend you include in your diet because they are rich in high quality protein, fats and essential nutrients like vitamin D and choline. It's the protein and the time of day we tend to eat them that especially makes them a powerhouse for weight loss. Eating a high protein breakfast promotes weight loss because protein helps regulate hunger and appetite hormones helping fend off your hunger until lunchtime. So my advice to you is to start your day with eggs for breakfast. In my research, I have found that eating eggs for breakfast left people feeling more satisfied than those who had bagels, which helped them eat less throughout the day. Weight loss food number 3 is beans. I suggest you include beans because they are high in fibre, which is ideal for weight loss, and because it helps you feel fuller for longer and helps with controlling hunger. Eating beans and legumes has also been linked with various other health benefits, including lowering blood pressure, reducing LDL cholesterol, and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Beans are fairly low in calories and deliver protein as well. My advice to you is to try them in homemade veggie burgers, soups and salads. Weight loss food number 4 is yogurt. My advice to you is to include yogurt in your diet because it is protein packed and full of probiotics which are good for gut health and may help your weight loss efforts. Your gut health can impact your weight and eating more fiber and probiotics helps keep your gut bacteria happy, which can be good for your metabolism, so I recommend you eat more yogurt. You can go Greek for more protein, plus in my research I found that consumption of Greek yogurt was associated with reduced appetite. I recommend you keep an eye on added sugars in flavoured yogurts, which will only add more calories. Instead, my advice to you is to use fresh fruit to sweeten plain yogurt. Can I please just take a moment and ask you something quick? Is this all making sense to you? Please let me know in the comments below. Weight loss food number 5 is salmon. Salmon is a rich source of high quality protein and provides plenty of good fats, which are omega-3 fatty acids. In my research, I found that a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids helped people feel more satisfied when they were watching their calories. Eating salmon can be a delicious and versatile way to get your recommended 2 weekly servings of heart-healthy fish. So I highly recommend you include salmon in your diet. Weight loss food number 6 is fruit. Fruit gets a bad rap sometimes because it naturally contains sugar, but eating fruit can help you to lose weight, especially when you swap fresh fruit for processed foods or unhealthy snacks. You'll get a naturally sweet treat, plus you'll reap the benefits of fibre and antioxidants which are in fruit. In my research, I found that a higher fruit consumption was associated with lower risk of becoming overweight or obese, independent of vegetable or fibre intake. Fruit, though including fruit as part of a healthy diet overall, which is always the best strategy. My advice to you is to eat fresh fruit as a snack during the day. Some good examples include bananas, apples, and pineapple. Weight loss food number 7 is popcorn. As long as this popular crunchy treat isn't covered in butter, it makes an excellent weight loss snack because popcorn is high in fibre and it even delivers some protein, so ideal for weight loss. A 1 ounce serving of air popped corn, which is about 3.5 cups, has 4 grams of fibre, almost 4 grams of protein, and comes in at around 110 calories. This combination makes it a snack with staying power. Popcorn is filled with air, so you get a pretty large portion without a lot of calories. You can eat 3 whole cups of popcorn for only 100 calories, so my advice to you is to include a bit of popcorn in your diet each week. Weight loss food number 8 is almonds. Almonds are an excellent source of fibre and they are high in protein, so I recommend you include almonds in your diet. Eating foods with the 1 to 2 pound of fibre and protein can help you feel fuller for longer, which makes it less tempting to reach for an unhealthy snack between meals. Almonds are rich in vitamin E and a good source of heart-healthy mono and polyunsaturated fats, which makes them a great choice to sprinkle over a salad or a side dish. You can also use them in pesto in place of walnuts or pine nuts to top your morning granola with them, or my advice to you is simply keep a small bag in your purse as an emergency snack. So now, I would like to ask you a question. What video topic would you like to see in my next video? Let me know in the comments below. Now, if you want a complete program for weight loss, I have a program that I strongly recommend you have a look at. Click the link below the video and you'll be taken to a website. You can find the website link at the bottom of your screen now. On the website, you can get the keto diet for weight loss within minutes from now. This program has literally helped hundreds of people get better weight loss results. And I would like you to get yourself on this program so that you can put yourself in a stronger and better position to help you get the results that you want. So it's definitely worth you taking the time to check it out. You can find out more about this program by clicking the link in the description box below this video. Thank you very much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe right now by clicking the big red button below this video. Can you please share this video with anyone you know who may find it helpful? Please connect with me on Facebook. You can find the Facebook link in the description below the video. Please do give the video a like because if I see people liking the videos, I will create more for you. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel, and I wish you all the best for your weight loss plan. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.